In this video, let me show you how to fix Discord login problem. If you're having login issues with your Discord account, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure is that the credentials that you're entering are correct. So the email address and the password, and make sure that you're entering in the correct information. And if this is not the case for you, you'll also need to ensure, or you need to try out to clear the app cache. So what you can simply do is tap and hold the app of Discord, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, you can also tap on the clear all data. What this will do is remove any sort of corrupted files which might be causing the issue. So once you complete this step again, try to see if the issue is solved. If the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is try to reinstall the application of Discord onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.